just found out that this wire snapped right off. This connects to the fuse block right here, the fuse panel.
We can't even test a starter without fixing that first.
Yeah. So,
as they say, it comes in threes.
This is the story.
This is news
of the starter that crapped out in Mexico. What?
What the hell did you do to him, man? I did nothing. The pavement was his enemy.
What do you guys think? Pull off the starter again because it doesn't work? Yeah, we're gonna do that. Alright, check this out, Bruno. The solenoid is just super hot. It's not working right at all. It's seized up or something. It's burning. The starter's it needs to be replaced. Right, buddy. It needs to be replaced. Jesse's taking this apart. He does this for a living.
No.
He's just a really good mechanic. The owner of this Airbnb recommended a local mechanic. He came over and he said he could rebuild the starter for around 800 pesos, which is about $40. Well, I didn't ask him to, but he felt the urge, the need, being a mechanic for the last like 16, 17 years professionally, to rebuild it.
Those are the contacts where the brush rides on. If you look at it, there's no shaft left. It's kind of concave. You see it? You see it?
Yeah,
where the brushes ride along. I can clean all this up. You have sandpaper?
Yeah.
We'll sand that down. We'll sand the commutator down. I'll clean it with some isopropyl alcohol. We'll put everything back together.
See if it works.
Maybe we'll get a couple of cranks out of it.
Well, you guys look all nice and clean.
We finally showered.
And it was hot.
It was
yes.
Hot, yes. It was like 10 days.
At least 10 days without a hot shower. Jesse was able to unlock the seized up solenoid on the starter. YouTube is a very valuable tool, right, Jesse?
Yes. And test the motor. We clean the brushes, clean the armature.
Perfect. So that is a properly working starter now. Cleaned out the carbon, unseized the solenoid. Now we're gonna throw it back in.
Let's do it.
Jade the Jeep. Hardware, tools, starter. Let's get Jade running. The starter is in. And whether it works or not, I just gotta thank this guy. He put in a lot of effort trying to make this work.
All right, let's do it.
No nada. Nothing.
Battery should be good.
No bueno.
Cranking. Enter. Go ahead, try to crank it.
12.51. Tomorrow we're gonna start heading back towards the US, but today we're parting ways with Amy and Matt with the Traveling Together Journal. Safe travels, you guys. Yeah.
Enjoy your guys' journey.
We will.
I'm sure we'll cross paths again in California or something.
Definitely. Yeah. They're in this Toyota T100. They're gonna be doing a lot of changes to the rig. Really nice to meet them. Great people. You guys should check them out.
Fourth attempt.
The new starter's in.
Starter's in.
Burn like a kitten. Last
dinner. Sorry.
Last dinner. Last night in Del Cabo. We're all going out for dinner. And it's gonna be a good one. This place is amazing. We like had to walk through a jungle just to get here. Every room here apparently is a tree house, which is crazy. It's been a great trip. Tomorrow we head back, start heading back. It's gonna take us a few days. It's like 22 hours. Buenas noches. Finally taking the drone out of the rice bag. Hopefully it works. day 1 of our trek back to the U.S. Crossing the border into Cade, and then we'll go back to San Diego. See you later, Bruno. See you later, buddy. Morning, Mason.
Morning, Jade.
Good morning, sweetie. And he loves Mason.
Good morning.
He has 3 dogs, right? 3?
3 dogs and a cat. Oh, she's trying.
What? Annie, what are you doing?
Annie, what are you want to ride with me today? Oh, and there's an Overland Bound member here.
Oh, no way.
Yeah.
Number 7,000, what number?
7,420.
That's crazy.
Nice to meet you, Claudia.
Thank you.
Small world.
Yeah. That whole assembly comes out.
Can you see it?
Yeah,
Is it working?
it's just
What's going on? There was a loud noise coming from the front.
a bushing.
There's a worn out bushing on the top of the shock where it mounts. Michael and Corey are packing up. Michael's actually flying back to the San Francisco Bay Area today. Michael's heading back to San Francisco. Corey's driving the rig back up.
Yeah.
So Michael, thanks for inviting us, man.
Thanks for coming along.
It
Really
was so much
appreciate
fun,
it.
so much fun.
It was a blast.
They put in a lot of effort and work in planning the trip. We were able to find nice spots to camp every night. Everything was put together with a little bit of leeway so we could still, you know, just do our thing. So
That's part of the joy of it.
yeah, it was awesome.
Thanks for your help too.
Oh, of course.
There's a lot of great support. Thanks.
Safe travels.
Yeah, safe travels.
Crossing the border. We made it. We just gotta get across the border, but we survived Mexico. What was the most dangerous thing, Izzy?
Probably the road.
The road.
Dogs on the road.
People were friendly. The food was great. The landscape, the scenery was amazing. And now I'm driving and recording as we pull into the border. How about you, Annie? Did you have fun? Oh, she had so much fun. She made so many friends. All right, we're going. Let's go. Gotta thank Corey and Michael for inviting us on the trip. We had such a great time. Learned a lot of new different things about overlanding because everyone does their own unique style. This year I'm really about trying to organize and get the road trip going smoothly, so picking up anything I can as far as getting more efficient with traveling, that's kind of key. A lot of us on this trip were sharing all our content, so we also were able to collab with each other. I ended up having a big mishap right away when my drone went down into the ocean at the beginning of the trip. I was able to get a lot of footage from Amy and Matt, and same with Michael and Corey, so we all helped each other out, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed these videos from Baja. Before I end this video, I have a bunch of wonderful people to thank. A huge thank you to these new Patreon pledges: Mario Perez, John Eckford, Chris, Jose Losoya, Scott Butts, and Wyatt Chase Growler. Thank you guys so much for helping us out and keeping this dream alive. I just went out to Jade to grab this pan because I'm gonna use it for cooking some food, and these guys are just chilling with me, probably because I gave them a treat. Oh, Bruno, you know how to sit now, don't ya? Good boy, good boy. Yeah, he loves them. Good girl, yeah. Alright, that's how you make friends with dogs. It's pretty easy. Yeah, fist bump, yeah. Alright, time to make some food. We got cows in camp. They almost just ran over that really expensive camera equipment. But it looks like they're working their way down the beach now.
Yeah, there they go.
The leader walked through over there, and he has the bell on. These guys are trying to figure out how to get there, but having a little bit of troubles. Oh, shit. Yeah, it almost just hit your truck. Oh, man.
Good job, guys.
Uh-oh. We got some big old horns on them, though, let me tell you. Cows are clear. We are good.
Jake, do you want a spotter? You probably want a spotter. dragging a little bit, but it's good.
Scott Butts, and Scott Butts. Scotty Butts.